Lugi ako sa dalawa.
Pagsimbahan na alam ko eh.
Hindi kami. Papuri.
I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the way you did. You felt so hard. I've learned the way hard to never let it get that far.
Because of you.
Maghihintay na lang na ikay dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pamumulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this...
Salamin.
Sorry, you don't need no makeup. Bro.
Marilag.
Dapat naglagay ka naman lang dyan ng konti sa simbahan. Para
Iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin. Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y di na nakita, sana'y walang problema. Pagkat kulang ang dala kong pera.
Huling album.
And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye.
Okay, verse of the best.
I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dream of. And I wish you joy and happiness, but above all this, I wish you love.
I will love you more. I will always love you. Deep inside your soul of my life.
Pero kahit ganito, naiisip mo man lang ba ako? Kasi kahit saan magpunta, hinahanap ko ang iyong mukha. At baka biglang magkita pa tayo sa QC.
Ano yun? Saan?
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
You'll be my heart. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart.
And I do reside in your light. Put out the fire with me and find. Yeah, you'll lose the sight of your circles. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye.
The day you said goodnight.
Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all cause you won't listen. Into your own, all cause you won't.
All cause you won't listen.
Ha? Listen yun?
Ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyong nagkulang? Tayo'y umaasa, hilagat kanluran. Ikaw ang hangtulan. At bilang
kanlungan mo, ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyong? Tadhana.
Sabi na eh.
Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig.
Bakit ka pa mahal kita?